Hello all, today we are going to do the speed test for Hathway broadband in Hyderabad. The cable used for this connection is not fiber network but a coaxial cable. Basically this is the same cable if you subscribe for Hathway cable or star connection. So using a modem, using the same cable network, we are able to use internet also. So today we are going to do speed test from two different websites. So this is from speedtest.net. We are going to see the ping time, download time and download speed and upload speed. So generally what does ping means? So if a server is there, we are sending a request to that server and that server will acknowledge that request also. So it is the two-way time, how much time it is taking from our mobile or PC or laptop to that server and back to our device or PC. So that is the ideal value should be as low as possible, so that you can, when you are searching anything in Google or you are trying to open a website, the response will be faster. So download speed so if you see here Mbps, M means mega, 10 power 6, or 1 MB means mega, it's here mega, and B here it is small b. If it is capital B, it means that it is byte. Small b means it is bit. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. So here it is the download speed means, say you are downloading movies, you are streaming, you are downloading games, apps, any content, attachments in your email. You are downloading, say, MS Office software. So this is the actual download speed you are able to get. And coming to the upload speed means, say you are uploading a video or you are uploading your files to Google Drive or OneDrive. Say you are uploading your photos to Google Photos. So what is the speed with which upload can be done? That is 1 megabits per second. So actually, strictly speaking, when this test is performed, the actual plan is we have to pay 30 rupees with tax, the inclusive of tax per month, and the plan is unlimited, no FUP. In Hyderabad, recently they introduced 20 GB per day limit also, and official download speed is 50 Mbps, 50 megabits per second, but practically we are able to get around 40, which is very decent. And the upload speed as per plan. So this plan is not a GPON plan or the fiber optic plan, which is recently being introduced in Hyderabad. This plan is using coaxial cable or the old copper cable type plan. In some areas still only coaxial cable is available as of December 2019 also in Hyderabad, and the upload speed guaranteed as per the plan is 5 Mbps. Earlier it used to be 20 Mbps, but from December 1, 2019 they have drastically reduced the upload speed to 5 Mbps, which is not at all sufficient. Say if you want to upload any photos, or say you are sending any videos, or you are sharing videos via WhatsApp to your friends or in groups, then first that video should be uploaded from your phone to the WhatsApp server, and later when your friends come online, that video will be downloaded from the WhatsApp server to their device. So when you are downloading for the first time any videos, then this download speed should be more, so that you can download those videos faster, either in YouTube or in WhatsApp. So you are sending to others your videos, or you are uploading to YouTube, or you are uploading to Google Drive your files, then this upload speed comes into picture. Generally both should be higher for a seamless experience, but based on this technology, Hathway has recently reduced the upload speed to only 5 Mbps. So but the practical is even more worst, which is around 1 Mbps. So it is not at all useful. Even though the download speed is high, so you can download apps from Play Store at a high rate, but say you are taking backup of your WhatsApp file to Google Drive, or backup of your phone or contacts to Google Cloud solution, then this takes huge amount of time. Also, we will perform this test from fast.com. Basically, Google search gives these two websites as the top rated search results. That is, these are more frequently used by many people around the globe for their speed test. So as you can see, this site is going to download. So this down arrow implies down, that is downside, down arrow, download. 40 MB file it is downloading and it is calculating the speed. Likewise, this up arrow increase, uplink, up arrow, upload. It is going to upload a 7-8 MB file to their server, and from that we can find the upload speed. So the download speed is around 46 Mbps, which is in tune with the 50 Mbps plan, as the plan name suggests. But the upload speed is only 2 Mbps, which is less than half of the gap as per the plan, which is 5 Mbps. So up till November 2019, Hathway is very much preferable, because it has, with 530 per month, you are going to get in Hyderabad unlimited, no FUP limits, 50 Mbps per 50 Mbps download speed and 20 Mbps upload speed, which is remarkable in its excellence and performance. But from December 1, 2019, Hathway has changed its plan automatically. So now, using coaxial cable network or the copper wire type network, only one plan is available, and all other plans are using fiber optical network. So recently Hathway rolled out FTTH, fiber to the home service, in Hyderabad, but it is only installed in 20% areas of Hyderabad. No, it is not available throughout the Hyderabad. It may take 3 to 6 months for it to be available throughout the Hyderabad. So in 80% of the areas of Hyderabad, only coaxial cable plan is available, wherein only one unlimited plan is available, which is 50 Mbps download speed, which is okay, acceptable, but upload speed is drastically reduced to 5 Mbps. Practically it is only 2 Mbps, and if you want to have a horrible experience, please choose Hathway coaxial cable network. Thank you. Subscribe to our channel for such in detailed updates and which broadband is best with unlimited plans. So our next video will be on Excitel broadband and its performance in Hyderabad. Thank you.